Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp mac and cheese. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including raw shrimp, your favorite pasta, and a blend of cheeses. Begin by cooking 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta well and set it aside. Next, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Then whisk in an equal amount of all-purpose flour to create your roux. Now let's create that irresistible cheese sauce. Gradually whisk in 2 1/2 cups of whole milk into your roux, ensuring there are no lumps. Continue to stir constantly as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It will begin to thicken beautifully. Once thickened, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheeses, such as sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack, until completely melted and smooth. With your cheese sauce ready, it's time for the star of the dish, the shrimp. In a separate pan, quickly sauté 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. Season them lightly with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika for extra flavor. Finally, gently fold your cooked macaroni and the perfectly cooked shrimp into the warm, creamy cheese sauce, ensuring everything is evenly coated. For the grand finale, transfer your delicious shrimp mac and cheese mixture into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. For a delightful crunch, sprinkle 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs over the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until bubbly and golden brown. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.